This is Brian White with UT Extension. I'm out here with the guys from First Farmers Co-op, helping them work on the demo. We're standing in a typical fescue clover type pasture we'd see here in the county. Got a lot of clover here, but we also got a lot of weeds. This particular location's got a history of buttercup, ironweed, and dog fennel. Unfortunately, some of those are winter annuals and some of them are summer annuals, so we're fertilizing here with some herbicide in first week in April to hopefully pick up those winter annuals, but also have enough residual to hang out here to pick up those summer annuals. Logan will kind of explain what they're doing today.
I'm Logan SHULL, livestock specialist with First Farmers Co-op. We're out here today looking at some different weeds in the pasture setting. We have impregnated Grazon onto the fertilizer. Grazon is a broadleaf herbicide you apply in your livestock settings and hay fields and pastures to kill your broadleaf weeds out of your grass. We have identified some select weeds out here in the pasture. What you have here is yellow buttercup, and it is on April the 6th. And we're going to come back and check these every 3 days and see how the chemical is working.
Another winter annual weed here is curly dock that's out this time of year in the first part of April. That'll be one of the target weeds that we'll be going after this morning.
What we have here is that's broadleaf plantain. There's also some buckhorn plantain out here. And in front of there you have some white clover, and that's a kind of a friendly casualty that's going to happen with this Grazon on your pasture. It's going to kill your white clover, but what we hope for is that your killing the weeds outweighs the cost of losing your white clover.
Another casualty like Logan was talking about is some vetch. One we don't typically see a whole lot in pastures, but it is a good quality forage, but it will most likely be a casualty of the Grazon.
We're back out here on day 7 of our Grazon demo trial. Today I'm out here with the CORTEVA range and pasture land guys. I'm gonna let them introduce themselves.
I'm ORACIO Molina with CORTEVA Range and Pasture.
Yeah, my name's Kevin Mount, District Sales Lead for the Eastern U.S. in the pasture business.
We're going to go over some frequently asked questions that we get. What are some typical response times you would see normally after 7 days after applying?
Thank you, Logan. So when making a dry fertilizer application using Grazon Next, there's a lot of variables. So on day 7 today, you see we're in overcast, cloudy skies. We've seen some twirling here, some twisting of the weeds. By day 7, that is what we're looking for, and you can expect full control with another week, 2 weeks. By a month after application, you should come out and see a definite line of weeds that have been controlled.
As you can see behind us, there's cattle on this field right now. What are some restrictions that you could see using any of your products?
So with the CORTEVA Range and Pasture portfolio, we have no grazing restrictions when it comes to making applications with livestock on the farm, and also as well as moving any hay off-site after you've made that application. So it's a very safe to use product around livestock.
At First Farmers Co-op, the livestock business is very important to us. We have invested in dedicated equipment specifically for helping out our customer base. As always, First Farmers Co-op is proud to be first on the farm.